Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. By now, you would have heard of all the news talking about how the government is going to plan a major revival of the Singapore stock market. So, apparently, the government is laying down the groundwork through various measures, including things like boosting the local IPOs, tax incentives, mandating that the fund managers invest a certain percentage or minimum 50 million into our local stocks. So I do believe that this will really go about, catalyzing the whole Singapore market again, right? Set up a vibrant long-term ecosystem in the SGX. But before we dive into the beneficiary stocks, sign up for my free weekly newsletter using the link down below, and you will get breaking news, analyst reports, as well as stock ideas you will not find anywhere else. All right. So on to our first sector, the supermarket operators and the retail REITs. With a range of government voucher schemes like CDC vouchers, climate vouchers, all these local spending is definitely seeing a significant boost. Okay, and think about it, there will be more footfall in the supermarkets as well as retail spaces. So as a result, the supermarket operators like Sheng Siong and Dairy Farm, which is the parent company of Guardian and Cold Storage, and together with key retail REITs like CICT and Fraser Centrepoint Trust, they are all poised, okay, to capture a larger share of this increased domestic demand. Next up, we have the technology and semiconductor sector. So this industry isn't just about new gadgets. All this requires a lot of R&D spending because it's all about high-end manufacturing, semicon services, breakthrough technologies in life sciences and that kind of thing. So for investors, this means tapping into a growth engine with the support of the government. Okay, so personally, I like the stocks that are also shifting their operations to JB. Okay, so because when you have the factories in JB, it will result in lower costs and hence higher profits. And some of these names include manufacturing stocks like Franken Group, UMS, Grand Venture, and also the one mentioned by our PM, AEM Holdings. Now let's talk green. So there's a clear global shift towards decarbonization. And in Singapore, initiatives like the $5 billion top up to the Future Energy Fund underscore this commitment. So blue chip stocks in this clean energy and infrastructure space include names like Semcop Industries, Citrum moving into the renewable space, right? And also Keppel Corp. They stand to benefit from these government-backed projects as well. That being said, there are also many smaller companies which I personally are looking at, and they are riding the green wave as well, such as Sheffield Green. So they prioritize hiring in the offshore wind farm together with the Marco Polo Marine. All the vessels are chartered over there, specifically in Taiwan, and also like Comfort Delgro, our transport giant, right? They are transitioning to cleaner energy vehicles and so on. Now, the backbone of it all is the Singapore Exchange itself. The government rolling out tax incentives for IPOs, mandating that the fund managers commit at least a certain percentage amount to invest in Singapore stocks, streamlining all these financial processes will help to rejuvenate the Singapore exchange. And of course, all these right will result in a more vibrant IPO market, higher trading volumes, improved liquidity, and so on and so forth. But if I may add, right, all these bustling activities may also lead to more credit ratings required, which will indirectly benefit Credit Bureau Asia, as well as more loans going around, which may also benefit our banks and maybe those smaller financial institutions like Hong Leong Finance. To wrap up, the Singapore Budget 2025 is setting a powerful stage for our local stocks by supporting all these various sectors, be it retail, technology, green energy, or market infrastructure. So, what is my main takeaway? Is that small and mid cap stocks will be the biggest winners from all these measures going forward. So, if you think about it, there are already a lot of funds investing in REITs and maybe the blue chip stocks, but not so much on the small and mid cap stocks in Singapore. So all these initiatives may sort of propel them to a brighter future going forward. And if you are interested to find out more about them, sign up for my newsletter as I'm launching my Singapore centric value investing membership very soon. Anyway, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.